In this video, we'll take you through a complete walkthrough of the EcoFlow app. On the EcoFlow app home screen, you'll find a list of your devices. Select your device to view more information. Here, you'll find device information, including input power, output power, battery level, remaining charge, and more. When the device is being charged, the app will show the current charging status. If you're using AC power, you can view power details in real time. You can also view the status of an extra battery and smart generator when connected to a Delta Pro or Delta Max. When the battery level drops below 10%, a red battery will appear. Battery temperature is displayed to the left of the device, and the remaining battery level is displayed to the right of the device. The input indicator displays device input power, including power from each input port. If you're using solar or car inputs, you can view power details in real time. The output indicator displays device output power, including power from each port. Here, you can control settings for X-Boost, AC, 12-volt DC, and USB ports. If your device is offline, all indicators on the EcoFlow app screen will turn gray. Tap the question mark icon to identify why your device is offline. Tap the settings icon in the upper right corner to view app settings. App settings are divided into 3 categories: General, Auto Timeout, and Others. General settings include options for renaming your device, adjusting the discharge or charging level, AC charge speed, car input, Smart Gen Auto on/off, and more. You can adjust the charging and discharging level from 0 to 30% at minimum and 50 to 100% at maximum. When the AC charge speed switch is set to Slow Custom on the unit, the charging rate will follow the value set on the app. For car input settings, set the max amperage based on your usage and the vehicle's specifications. When the EcoFlow Smart Generator is connected to the Delta Max, it will automatically start when the Delta Max battery drops below 20% and stop when it reaches 80% charge. You can also adjust these values in the app. Auto timeout settings include options for unit timeout, screen timeout, and AC timeout. Set your unit timeout to determine when the unit turns off. This will occur when the AC and DC buttons are off and the unit receives no load. Set your AC timeout to determine how long the AC outlets can remain idle before shutting off automatically. In Other settings, you can find options to upgrade your firmware, access the EcoFlow Help Center, and more.